बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful waste material recycling craft ideas. These are very unique and very beautiful craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. So viewers, if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very unique and very amazing craft work for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. This is very beautiful and very unique waste material craft ideas for your home decor. And you must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. So viewers, take care, be happy, and remember me in your prayers guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.